Hello, in front of me I've got CS2. In this video I'll show you how to change graphic presets. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the game. Enter video and advanced video. Here you can change video values preset. You can set low, medium, high or very high. Next, you can change multi-sampling anti-aliasing mode, global shadow quality, dynamic shadows, model texture detail, texture filtering mode, shader detail, particle detail, ambient occlusion, high dynamic range, and Fidelity FX Super Resolution or DLSS. Before, make sure to enable FPS Counter. To check your FPS on each setting. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.